I'm going to walk over here. It's quieter here. The wind is what drowns out my voice. So, and it's not as windy over here. There's some more. Here are the flowers. There's a lot of beautiful flowers in the, it's like a cactus plant. Different colors. Right by the beautiful Pacific Ocean. There's more over there. I was just over there, but it was windy. This is a Monday, so there's not so many people here. And it's kind of chilly, but not bad. I like it. After that heat wave we had in Napa. This is great. Great Pacific Ocean.